How to set Mozilla Firefox as default browser in Windows 11. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you a step-by-step process. So let's start. First, click on Start menu, then go to Settings. Here you see the setting option. Now click on Settings. Then from the left sidebar you will see the app option. Just click on Apps. Then from the right you will see default apps. Just click on default apps. Then you can search the apps from here like Firefox, or you can scroll down and find the Firefox app. Just click the Firefox app. Then you will see a list of file types and links from here. Click each item like .htm, .html, .shtml, etc. If you select each item, a pop-up will come in front of you. Now select Firefox and set default. Repeat for all web-related formats to fully make Firefox your default browser. And that's it. Firefox is now your default browser on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.